This video is over topic 40, number 10 through 13, converting rates and converting with rates. Let's jump ahead to that using always the fraction, multiplication, dimensional analysis, conversion process. So number 10, to calculate how long it will take to drive 500 miles at an average speed of 40 miles per hour. First, writing the 500 miles over 1. We're using the rate, the 40 miles per hour, to convert from a distance to a time. So then I use the 40 miles per hour as if it was given 40 miles equals 1 hour. So I put the 40 miles on the bottom and the 1 hour on top. That cancels the mile units, and this tells me I need to take the 500 divided by 40, getting 8 hours. Number 11, if a man can run 1,200 feet per minute, and we want to convert this to miles per hour, I go ahead and write the rate as my initial given value, 1,200 feet, and then the per minute means I put the minute on the bottom. It's 1 minute if you want to write the 1 still. And now I need to convert feet to miles, and I need to convert minutes to hours. That can be done in either order, but I have my 1 mile is 5,280 feet. So I put that somewhere in there, 5,280 feet on the bottom and 1 mile on top. So the feet units are gone. This would now be miles per minute. I want miles per hour. So I'm going to use 1 hour is 60 minutes. That will not be given to you. You need to just know it. So I'm putting the 60 minutes on top to cancel out the minutes on the bottom. And so now my units are miles on top, hour on bottom, miles per hour. And I'm going to take 1,200 times 60 divided by 5,280. Or if you're using something other than the calculator, if you prefer to just go left to right versus top to bottom, 1,200 divided by 5,280 times 60. On the Alex calculator, because it puts you in fraction format as soon as you do the division, it's probably easier to save all the divisions for the end. This comes out 13.6. Number 12, a major league pitcher can throw a baseball 90 miles per hour. How fast is that in feet per second? So I start with the 90 miles per hour, converting this rate to different units. So I start with the rate. I need miles to feet. So I'll put the 1 mile on the bottom, 5,280 feet on top. That gets rid of the mile units. Now I have feet per hour. I want feet per second. So I'll put 1 hour on top, 60 minutes on the bottom. So that takes care of the hour. And then 1 minute over 60 seconds to get to seconds. So now this is feet per second. If you happen to know that 1 hour is 3,600 seconds, you can use that directly. But don't memorize that if you don't already know it. You don't need to. This is going to be 90 times 5,280 divided by 60 divided by 60. Second. Number 13, how long will it take to drive 120 miles from Lafayette to Fort Wayne at an average speed of 65 miles per hour? So now I'm wanting to find a time. So I'm not converting I'm not converting the rate to other units. I'm using the rate to convert between distance and time. So I start with the 120 miles over 1, and then I can put the 65 miles, part of the 65 miles per hour, 65 miles on the bottom per 1 hour on top. And then it didn't specify what unit, so this will give me the time in hours. 120 divided by 65 is 1.84. Maybe I'd rather have that in minutes. I can just add on here. That's going to be 1 hour is 60 minutes. So I just multiply that result by 60. That's 111 minutes. Maybe I want somewhere in between. So it's going to be 1 hour. And let's say the 111, if I take off 1 hour, which is 60 minutes, that leaves 51 1 hour minutes. So just whichever units you were instructed to, or if you're doing something like this outside of class, you would decide how you want to express that result.